magkakumpiyansa sa sarili ninyo. Basta't mag-aral ka na mabuti at talagang magsumikap ka, kahit naman sino ay magiging successful. From Miguel, I think natamaan ako ni Cupid kasi I think of you araw-araw. Okay dun ha. Sorry kung corny ang pick-up line ha. Happy Valentine's. Thank you, Miguel. Magamit nga yan. Baka kumagat si First Lady dun sa mga ganyang klaseng pick-up line. I wish the earth is filled with love, care, and respect. The world must be perfect like you. Oh my God, this is from Iya. I am not perfect. I'm very, very far from perfect. But we try to be perfect. That's the important part. That may drawing pa na ginawa ni Iya para sa akin. Thank you very much. That nobody is perfect. Only God is perfect. But you always try to be perfect. And if you try hard enough, you'll come close. Oh, from Mindy. Dear Mr. President,